Hello, my name is Gabrielle Venezia, and today I'm going to show you the game Grand Slam Tennis Tournament. Basically, the object of the game is playing tennis against an opponent. The controller for this game is the spacebar to hit the ball like I just did, the left and right arrows to run back and forth on the court, and you can also use the up and back arrows as well if you want to maybe get up a little bit on the ball. So that round one just ended, so I'm going to hit the space bar to continue to the next game. Unfortunately, I lost, but let's play again. So I'm actually going to start serving the ball, so I'm going to hit the space bar, and then I'm going to hit it. And then he'll hit it back, and I'll run over here. Okay. So I don't know if you can tell, but my computer is lagging really bad. This is actually the best version I could find of the game. Every website, like the ones that were listed in the discussion, it would bring me to the game, and then all of a sudden when I went to click the mode, which game I wanted to play, it would not let me go any further. So this is the one I found. So now he's going to serve, or she, I'm not really sure, I didn't see the name. But, okay, she's going to serve, and I'm going to try and get some points. Okay, that was really bad. So, the game came out on June 12th, 1992. Oh, man. The United States actually renamed the game to Jennifer Capriati, excuse me if I'm mispronouncing that, tennis, due to the actual tennis player. She's a tennis player, and the game was made after her, just because of how well she did, and it just, her game and her as an athlete brought so much attention to the game that, or excuse me, to the sport, that they created the game. So it's kind of like how the MLB and the NHL have their own gaming system or yearly game. This is how it is with tennis. So this started in 1992. Sega Mega Drive Tennis is who created the game, by Talent Japan and the system Seicom. Basically, the object of the game is that it's a 3D tennis game. It's one of the first 3D sports games. So now it's my turn to serve. Let's see if I'll win this round, if I can get there on time. You can play 2 players with this game on the console that you have with the game. But right now I'm just playing against the computer since I am playing on my laptop. Oh no. Okay, he got me. She got me there, excuse me. Okay, so Moya won. I'm assuming that's a girl, so I'm sorry if it's a guy. So I lost, but we can hit play again, and it'll show me the bracket and everything. So let's go ahead and serve again. The console's game system that this first came out to play on was Sega Genesis. So nowadays you can play it on the Xbox, PlayStation, get the newly yearly one for them. I mean, I personally like playing sports in person. I grew up playing softball and soccer. So, I mean, playing on the PlayStation, Xbox is not my real ideal thing. On the Wii, I will definitely play like Wii baseball and bowling and tennis, because you know it's a little bit different. You're actually active, and I know they have that for Xbox and the PlayStation now, but I don't know. It's just something about the Wii that I like better than the other 2 consoles that provide it. Alright, so she won off of me serving, but okay. Yeah. Okay. You know, I get a little competitive, especially when it comes to sports games. And a little aggravated too when it lags and stuff. I don't know if it's my internet or what the deal is, but I think the game is very fun to play. Of course, with the newer models and modes of the game, the characters are more realistic and really look like the actual athlete themselves, which I think is insane how much our technology just changes and just improves. But at the same time, it's like, wow, I'm actually that player. Because you can choose. You can choose your character and everything. So if you wanted to play Jennifer, for instance, you could. So that's just how the game works. So it's really just an older version of the newer tennis games. So I hope you have a chance to maybe play this game. I do recommend it, just like any other sports game, which I definitely enjoy more than anything. But yeah, so here's my video, and as you can see, I'm not very good at playing on the computer, but hey, you know, it's all fun though. But thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed.